Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your DMRC employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in DMRC employee login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as dmrc.co.in. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your account. So type a login ID in the text field given for your login ID. Then type a password in the text field given for your password. Now you need to fill up this CAPTCHA. Just type whatever is shown here. If you have forgotten your password, you can reset it by tapping on this text "Forgot your password." Now to log into your account, simply tap on the sign in button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.